Hello guys, this is Amrit here at Frost. We got something really exciting, really special. Let me show you what it is. We got the 2024 Silverado RST X exclusive by Frost. Yes, you heard it right. Let me show you what's exciting about this truck. Alright, over here we got the TIS off-road 20-inch gloss black rims. We got the nice aggressive Predator tires. Underneath we got the ready lift suspension. 4-inch lift in the back as well. Good thing is it's all bolt on and it's not going to void your warranty. And we got the spacers on the Rancher shocks. We got the running boards on this truck. And here we are inside the crew cab. You got lots of room here in the back. Nice space inside. Have a decent headroom. So in the back you do have a nice connectivity. Even if you're in the back, you have the USB-A and USB-C ports. You can have your laptops, iPads, all charged all the time. Alright, we have this nice layout, the digital driver information screen, 13.4 inch of the touch screen. Now, really cool thing about this truck is you do have the built-in Google Maps. Yes, you heard it right. So how does this work? You have the OnStar, which is connected 24/7. You have a 5G LTE Wi-Fi. Through Google Maps, you have the live updates of traffic, any accidents on the road, so you can plan your trip accordingly. So on this truck you have built-in trailer brake controller, so you can basically control the braking on your trailer. You got the heated seats in the front, dual zone climate control, electronic precision shifter. You have the wireless charger, the USB-C, USB-A, and also 110 volt power outlet. We got the easy lift tailgate, we got the bed liner, we got the 12 recovery hooks. So each corner you got 3 hooks to secure your cargo. If you like to go camping or out in the bush, you do have a 120 volt power outlet. It has a capacity of 400 watts. This truck has the Z71 off-road package. It gives you a metal plate underneath the engine, Rancher shocks. It's a beautiful suspension. Alright, now you saw the video of this amazing Silverado RST X by Frost. So what are you guys waiting for? Come check it out. We are at 150 Bovaird Drive West. We have this truck inside the showroom. Feel free to take it for a test drive and take it to your home. Thank you.